Hi. Gone are the days when humanities was the least preferred stream, equally by parents and students. Perhaps as a result of thinking that there are not many good career options after studying humanities. Believe you me, humanities as a stream offer many good career options. While professional courses like journalism, mass communication and public relations immediately come to my mind, law is not far behind, which is coming up as an equally lucrative option. If you are thinking about professional courses to do after humanities, you can think about like design courses, management, travel tourism, hotel management and whatnot. So all of these options are open to people from all these streams. If you're not looking at the professional courses, then also you can study subjects, and psychology is one subject which perhaps is gaining importance like no other. You can become a psychologist and join many different fields. If you're thinking about becoming a counselor, then you can be assured of a good placement if you're passing out from a good college. Whether it is history, it is geography, sociology, anthropology, they all lead to wonderful options like as a geographer, as a historian, as an archaeologist and whatnot. And before I forget, I must mention that one can always join public services after studying humanities. So whether it is the central administrative services or administrative services of states, so these options are open to you. And teaching is always an option which is open. Depending on your strengths, you can go for teaching in colleges, you can go for teaching in schools, and if you prefer online, then online education is fast coming up. If you have strength in the area of languages, then this languages can take you places. Not only as a translator or as a linguist, you can talk about or you can think about options like copywriting as a writer, or even as somebody who's creating content for these online education companies. So if humanities is the stream in your mind, then you should be rest assured of the options available. What you should focus on is to find out what are your strengths, and then choose from these options which are available to you.